Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. So, full disclosure, I was struggling with what kind of story to tell at this time of the year in the United States. Depending on where you live, it is dark, gloomy, and the snow may be gray in the streets instead of a pretty shade of white. Then inspiration struck me. So, I will be taking a conversational French course a few days after this video is posted, and it goes all the way to spring break 2024. So, you might be thinking, okay, Mia, how does this apply to me? Well, in education, there is a lot of professional development that we are required to attend, but sometimes the best types of learning can take place when we try to learn a new skill or a hobby that we are personally invested in. Being put back in the beginner's seat helps us have the same emotions as our students when they are just learning new skills. There is also another benefit to learning a new hobby. Will I use French in my job? Probably not. However, it will provide something positive for me to look forward to each week until the next school break. So think about, what could you do to feed your soul? Could you pick up a hobby you had as a child but lost? What about trying out a skill you always wanted to learn? There are many ways you could learn: through YouTube, continuing education courses at your local community college, or even your local park district. I'm not suggesting you focus on self improvement or trying to fulfill a New Year's resolution. Rather, consider what might bring you joy to spend a little time on once a week. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.